he's still that player what every manager needs in his team, and maybe more for Everton. He's back home. We have young players. We had 3 players of 20 years tonight on the pitch against City, and they did a great job. And he is that experienced player. He's that teacher for young players, and we like to win titles, and he know how you win titles, and that's a big experience and a big step up for most of the players. And against Stoke, he was. I was really pleased about his performance, and also tonight, because he's that cleverness what you need in your team to know exactly in every moment on the pitch what is the best decision, and he's that player. And okay, very happy about him.